Welcome back to the channel, guys. So there was an uproar and many persons were up in arms recently when Christopher Henry Gayle decided that he would not sign for the Jamaica Tallawahs. However, but he will be signing with a team from St. Kitts, I think. You understand? So many Jamaicans were saying he's sold out, but this is professional cricket. It's a franchise thing. You understand what I'm saying? Anybody that paid the bigger bucks at the same man got. He won the competition twice with Jamaica. So, but the boss come like say, hey man, the vision thing and a priest say, yo, look what thing they are going I send kids. Look here.
Ultra Carnival. What do you think you can't catch me? Catch me, Gayle. Catch me. Catch me. Catch me. Ultra Carnival. Ultra Carnival. Catch me. 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 Catch me.
Jamaica and West Indies cricketer Chris Gayle has celebrated the 1-year anniversary of his Don't Blush Baby controversy in Australia by posting a vulgar That word there. Vulgar is a vulgar word, you know. A vulgar Instagram video with him and his partner dancing at a carnival in St. Kitts. Pre-like so. The event took place on New Year's Day. The video was posted on Wednesday, poking fun at the reaction that followed his comments to Channel 10 host Mel McLaughlin. In the Instagram video, he grinds and dances lewdly with his partner. Both were dressed up in carnival theme. On Twitter, Gayle wrote, 4th January, officially 1-year anniversary. Don't Blush Baby, Australia lighten the F up. However, the video has since been deleted. I see why I need to delete it still, you understand, but we want to do them thing different. The video was posted a year after an interview with McLaughlin. After being dismissed while playing for the Melbourne Renegades, Gayle asked a sports reporter whether she was interested in getting a drink with him after the game. Babe, would you like to go and have a drink later? He then proceeded to tell her, don't blush baby, when she looked uncomfortable with the request. Gayle was fined nearly £6,000 by his Big Bash team for inappropriate conduct following calls for him to be banned from the competition forever. Yo, man say enjoyment here, so man reigning new year in a style.
That's a finish. I like to see what happens. Yo, Ultra ladies, I want to see you going back right now.
And preach, step over they go beat and teach. See I'm so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach. Beat and teach. Beat and teach.
I don't see it clear already, you know. I know some people are in a comment section are going to say, yo, the video them X-rated and him shouldn't post them and probably me shouldn't post them. I work still, you understand what I say? Just know say your child not supposed to watch it and you control that. You see me I say? Me personally, not see nothing wrong with the video them. A carnival, you know, a carnival thing set up. I mean, the double standard and the hypocrisy with that is a whole different kettle fish. We not get into that right now still. See? So the man gone, if the teller was the man gone and send kits. See, the boss is done pre-war go on still. You see me? So the man enjoy himself. You understand what I say? Like Jamaicans do. See? Anyway, go and do your thing in general. Don't overdo it still. And be careful also. Because you know the world set up in now is a public figure. So it's easy to target you too. See me the pan? So just go and hold it. I'm out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying until next time, walk good.